I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to reset your Verizon password, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Go to the Verizon sign-in page. Open your web browser and navigate to the Verizon sign-in page. This is where you will start the password reset process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure the verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your mobile number or the email address associated with your account. Fill in the required information and click Continue. Step 4. Choose your verification method. Select how you want to receive the verification code via text message or email. Make sure you have access to the selected method to receive the code. Step 5. Enter the verification code and create a new password. Once you receive the code, enter it in the provided field. After verification, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure it meets the security requirements. If you accidentally enter the wrong code too many times, you may be temporarily locked out, so double check before submitting. I hope this guide helps you reset your password quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.